Hey plumbers, good morning. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today, I have a sewer inspection. We have a feeling there may be some issues. To make my life easier, as a small business, I'm going paperless. I'm using House Call Pro. It is a great business app. All by an app, you can take your customer's information. Your customer will get a text when you're en route to the job. The customer will get a text when you're on scene and starting the job. Completing the job, they will be notified. And of course, payment. Another feature of this app is this. I can send my guys via the app to the job. No communicating, no note taking, no phone calls. It's a great tool. Check out the link below, housecallpro.com/Chuck Barron. Set up your free demo in that link. If you use that link, your first month will be $19. It's a game changer, contractors. Check it out. We'll see you inside. Okay, folks, here's the culprit. We're going to inspect from this clean out down here, and this is what we're concerned about here. We're concerned about this little dip into the basement apartment, floor drain for the stairwell, and going around this area out to the sewer box. Today's inspection is in the shade, so we should be able to get the good shots. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, folks. There we go. Get out the handy dandy Ridgid sea snake. Boom. True sense. It all makes sense to me. Let's pop off this handy dandy cap. Boop. Let's fire this thing up. Now, as you know, this comes with a great app to run with the equipment. HQX Live. Coming to you live. Alright, and cancel this. Hook up my Wi-Fi here. Let me hit record. Oh, I forgot the USB, but guess what? I do have a spare here. Lucky for me. Now, here's what we got going here. We got a cast iron riser. Runs out to the street. So we're going to give this a quick inspection. I'm waiting for us to upload. To view the release notes, visit, blah, 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 to scan, or I don't know why I did this now, but it's almost done. All right, we're ready to roll. And let's go with this, and let's start recording. Create a new job. A little bit of a slow start out the gate here. So again, I'm just going to inspect this line out to the street. So goes right into terracotta. And right there, it comes out of the building there. Old terracotta right here, folks. So we're coming down, coming down. Now here's where the rest of the house comes out. Wow, what is this right here? We got a root package coming in here. Now I'd like to take a picture of this. Let's see if I get this done. And pause, recording paused. Picture. I hope it took a pic. Let's take a picture over here. Okay, and then we're going to take a pic over here for Georgie. Alright, so we got a root package here. This is 7 feet in. So we're going past here, out to the street. There's some sand. We got a little sag in the pipe right here. Wow. Okay. I'm not liking this. What's going on here? Oh, come on, man. "21 feet in, we got a problem." Now, so approximately 11 feet down the line, and you can see the water lines where it fills up. So we got a problem already. What we got here? Something glow. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. Something glowing. Fluorescent toilet paper? I don't know. Well, here's what we're going to do. We're coming up the side here. The best part is right, no trees around here, so I don't know what that is right there. That's a problem. That's a connection. That's right here. That's 2 feet away. I know where that connection is inside. Alright. I'm going to pass on to George that, George, we have a situation. And we do. We're holding water. Now what is this? So they actually just broke a hole in the top of that pipe to make it a clean out. That's kind of crazy, huh? That's what that's showing right there. It's a hole on top of the pipe. And then they tapped in a couple fittings, and here we are, we're out. Now here's the best part. George wanted to be here, and I can't wait. So what's going to happen is this. We're going to have to do this again with him. I'll show him the video, and I'll send him the email from the app, and we'll get this taken care of. We're going to clean the sewer with my run the snake and the machine together so we can see what we do. My Ridgid flex shaft. So that's another task we can do. We'll do that on Monday or Tuesday. And again, this is a freebie. This is for fun. Folks, that was a quick setup and inspection from my man George. I'll be honest with you, something's going on there. I didn't want to spend a lot of time with it because, to be honest with you, I gotta go drop off my other van to get wrapped, and I want to get back in time so we can do another surf session today. So we're going for 2-a-day surf session, pressed for time. But I'm going to tell George what we're going to do over there. We're going to run the flex machine while inspecting. So another task I've never done, but I actually seen it online. Till then, we'll see you at the next one, folks. Have a great night.